Okay, this video is to show you how to MLA format a Word document. First off, let's start by inserting a header. Okay, choose the first option, blank. Then notice it's over here. We want to go ahead and go to Home and then right align it. So it's over here. Then we'll just put our last name, and then we will insert the page number right here. Okay, and go ahead and put it in the current position because we want it to stay over there, and we'll choose plain number. Okay, then we have the page number. That'll repeat on each page, so you'll have the top, your last name, and your page number at the top of each page. One thing you also need to do, like everything on this document, you want to highlight that and go ahead and change that to Times New Roman font 12 point. And we'll do that for the entire document in just a moment. Okay, once you're done with the header, that's all you need to put up there. You can just click back in the body, double click, and it'll take you back. Okay, then make sure you're at home, and if for some reason you have already written your paper, what you'll want to do is go to select all. Okay, and that'll highlight everything on your page so you can change everything at the same time. And then we'll make a few changes. So go ahead, select all, highlight everything, and then we'll make a few changes. First off, what we want to do is, if you haven't already, go ahead and change the font of the whole paper to Times New Roman 12 point font. Then what we'll want to go do is change the margins. Go to page layout, margins. It should be at normal, which is the default, and every margin should be set to 1 inch. Okay, if it's not there, set it there now. Okay, the next thing we need to do is go to our spacing. Okay, so at this point we should still have everything highlighted if you have text there. If not, select all again. Okay, then go to paragraph. We need to set our spacing to make sure it's double. Notice the default, there's a 10-point spacing here that we need to change to 0. We also need to change the line spacing to double. Okay, so right here, make sure both of those are 0. Make sure the line spacing is at double. And then we'll hit OK to save our changes. Okay. Your text should look different now. There should be a space in between each line. Now we are going to put our heading on our paper. So first off, you need to put your name. Okay, hit enter. Notice how it's now double spaced right there between each line. Okay, and then you would put your teacher's name. Hit enter again. Okay, the next thing you'd want to put is the course title, which for my class would be English 3. Okay, then you would put the date, put the day first, space, the month, and then the year. Okay, done with that, hit enter again. The next thing we need to do is put a title on this paper. So when we put the title, we want to center align it, and you can put whatever title you come up with there. I'll just put title of paper for right now. Okay. Then next thing we need to do is go down and actually get ready to start writing. Make sure you're left aligned, and for your first line of your paper and the first line of every paragraph, you'll want to hit the tab key so you indent. Make sure to indent every paragraph. Okay, and then whenever you start typing your paper, it should be indented at every paragraph and aligned correctly. It should also be double spaced. Okay. So that's how your paper should look. Make sure you indent every paragraph right there. Should have your heading, title of your paper, that in your header up there. Okay, remember that if you already had text there and you need to change it and make changes to everything, you can hit select and all in order to make changes to everything. Okay, Times New Roman font, 12 point.